home hair spa is the ideal solution for tired and over-processed hair. It's like a facial for your scalp that helps restore lost moisture and keeps your hair healthy. In today's episode of Hair Academy, we are going to show you how you can do a hair spa at home in easy steps. Take some coconut, almond or olive oil and heat it. Apply this oil all over your hair and massage for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Massaging your scalp improves blood circulation and promotes hair growth. Dampen your hair and apply a hair mask. It's going to lock in all the moisture and keep it hydrated. If you're looking for something you can make at home using ingredients from your kitchen, then go ahead and follow these steps. Wrap a damp warm towel around your head and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This is going to help the oil and the mask penetrate into your scalp better and allow all the ingredients to get absorbed into your hair. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo and make sure you get rid of all the oil and mask completely. Hot water can damage your hair follicles, so wash your hair with lukewarm or cold water to keep it healthy and shiny. Let me know if this video helps in the comment section below. For more makeup tutorials and skincare tips, keep watching POPxo Daily.